Today we are on our way to the Krugersdorp Game Reserve in Mogale City local municipality in Gauteng, South Africa. Following the discovery of gold on the Witwatersrand, a need arose for a major town in the west of the reef. Krugersdorp was founded in 1887, named after the Transvaal president Paul Kruger.
R250.
The Krugersdorp Game Reserve is a 1,500 hectares game reserve. It is considered a small intermediate reserve and offers visitors a true African safari. Breathtaking scenery. The waterbuck is a big antelope with a distinct white circle around his tail. The springbok is South Africa's national animal. Despite their long necks, giraffes actually have the same number of neck vertebrae as humans, just 7. Each individual vertebrae is supersized, measuring up to 10 inches long. The reserve houses 15 mammal species, including one of the big 5, the lions. The lions are kept in a special 100-hectare enclosure in the middle of the reserve. Right, we're entering the lion enclosure. Now from here on, we're not only not allowed to get out of our vehicles, we're also not allowed to open the windows, otherwise the lion will take you out of the car and still eat you. So let's see if we can see some lion. At first I was disappointed to see all the lions fenced in. I thought we would be able to see them up close and personal. But after driving around in the enclosure, we came across something quite spectacular. And in true Campx4 tradition, We made it just in time for lunch. So we followed the pride. All this meat are making me thirsty. And unfortunately, it is once again time to go home. Right now, on my way through one of the bushes that I've driven through, I have hit a rock in stupidity because I was driving a very unused track, as they call it, and there was a rock that I didn't see, and yeah, I drove into it, and I just want to quickly assess the damage at the at the bottom of the car. What did we hit? When you know your car's really tough, if you hit a rock so hard that your dash cam falls off the window and you climb in under the car and you see nothing. Okay, I see there's a little mark there on the cross member, so that's probably where I hit the rock. But I must say that doesn't look too bad. That's okay. My car survived. With a little bit of luck. Yo, to get a body like this up right again, I feel like a giraffe. And by now, you know the drill. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit the little bell so that you'll be notified when I load my next adventure. Till next time, goodbye.